In this video, we'll talk about how to find the equation of a parabola given a vertex and a point. So I have a couple examples for us to work through here. Let's check out the first one. Let's say that we're told some parabola has a vertex with coordinates 1, 4, and the parabola goes through the point 3, 8. How can we find the equation of this parabola? Well, it helps if we write it in vertex form, which is the following form. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. This is what we call a vertex form of a parabola. So what we can do is we can fill in all of the values for y, x, h, and k, and then solve for a. So the vertex will have the coordinates h, k, and this point is what we'll use for the x and y coordinates. So let's fill in all of these values in this formula. So we get y, so 8, is equal to a times x is 3, minus h is 1, squared, plus k. So k is 4. So we're just going to solve for a. So we get 8 is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So we get 4 times a plus 4. So to solve for a, we can subtract a 4 from both sides. And we get 4 is equal to 4a. And then to solve for a, we can divide both sides by 4. So in this case, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So a is going to be equal to 1. So we can write our final answer as y is equal to 1 times x minus h. H we said is 1, squared, plus k. K we said is 4. And if we'd like, we don't even have to include this 1 out front. So we can write our final answer as x minus 1 squared plus 4. This is the equation of the parabola. All right, let's try one more example. Let's say we're told that parabola has a vertex 5, 0, and it goes through the point 7, -2. How can we write the equation of this parabola? Well, once again, we're going to use the form y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex has the coordinates h, k, and this point is what we will use for the x and the y in our equation. So we're going to plug in all these values into this equation and solve for a once again. So we'll say y, that's -2, is equal to a times x is 7, minus h, so h is 5, squared, plus k. So in this case, k is 0, plus 0. So we're going to solve for a here. So -2 is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So we'll have 4 times a. So to solve for a, we can divide both sides by 4. And we get a is equal to -2/4. Or if we want to reduce that, that can be -1/2. So that's a. So now we have everything that we need to write the equation of this parabola in this form. So we'll say y is equal to -1/2 x minus h we said is 5, so x minus 5 plus k. Remember, k is 0, so our final answer is just going to be -1/2 times x minus 5 squared. This is the equation of our parabola.